Hello everyone, it's Miss Luffle, and in this video we're going to talk about cause and effect. Cause and effect. Why? The cause is the reason why something happens. What? The effect is the result of what happens. So, as you can see, I've got a couple examples here. So, when it's raining with the sun out, because the sun is out when it's raining, that causes, the effect is it's a rainbow. Why do we see a rainbow? Because the sun is out when it's raining. Cause and effect. Cause is the reason it happened. Why do we get rainbows? Because it rains when the sun's out. What happens when it rains when the sun's out? You get a rainbow. My next example is a boy hits a ball. And the effect is the window breaks. So why did the window break? Because the boy hit the ball through the window. What caused the window to break? The boy hitting the ball. Cause and effect. Cause is the why, and the effect is the what. So I have a book today. It's called Every Season. And at the end of the book, we're going to talk about how the weather affects what we wear. Every season. By Shirley Roddern and Anne Love Woodall. Photographs by Shelley Rottner. I love spring. When the grass grows green. Speckled eggs fill woven nest. Showers soak, seeds sprout, and flowers bloom. Crocuses pop, daffodils open, and then lilacs spread their sweet smell. Salamanders slither out from under mossy rocks. Ducklings follow in a row. During the springtime, everything's coming back to life. The flowers are blooming. The animals are having babies. It is spring. We hold rabbits, lambs, puppies, and chicks. Spring is the time to dig and plant. But then summer comes. And I love summer too. The sun shines strong and hot. You can wear a straw hat or go barefoot in the grass. So springtime's when the flowers are blooming and the animals are being born. Everything's coming back to life. And then in the summer, everything's alive and it gets real hot out. Bees sip, frogs hop, butterflies flutter and land. We taste strawberries, lemonade, watermelon, and ice cream. Those are all things that are refreshing to keep us cool in the hot summer. Shorebirds scurry and peck. I hear the roar of the ocean waves. Summer is the time to splash and swim. Have you ever been to the ocean and splashed and swim? What about out to the pool? Summer's the time we go swimming because it's hot. But then autumn comes and I love autumn too. Wind wisps and seeds scatter. Autumn is just another word for fall. So the leaves are changing colors. It's getting a little cooler outside. We pull up our hoods and zip up our jackets. The leaves turn and fall. The leaves are changing colors and falling off the trees. Orange maple, red oak, and yellow ash. We pick pumpkins, we taste apples, pears, and pies. This happens in the fall or the autumn. The leaves change colors, it gets a little cooler outside. It's not as hot as it was during the summer. Geese honk and head south. Chipmunks store acorns in a secret spot. So all the birds during the winter, they fly south for the winter because it's too cold in the north. And the chipmunks are storing up food because they go into hibernation and sleep all winter. They're getting ready for winter. Autumn is the best time to rake and jump in the leaves. But then winter comes and I love winter too. The cold brings icicles and snowflakes that swirl. Winter's cold. You have to bundle up in the snow. We make our snow angels and sip hot chocolate. Horses grow their thick coats to keep warm, and chickadees search for seeds. Snow blankets branches and buds. Animals leave their tracks. Have you ever seen that much snow? We don't get very much snow here, but I've seen some snow before. Have you ever made a snow angel? What about a snowman? We wear hats and mittens and scarves and skates. Winter is the time to coast and slide. But then spring comes and I love spring. The end. That was a good one. So today we're going to talk about the cause and effect using the different parts, the different seasons. So our 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now seasons are a cycle. That means they happen each year at every time. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter. It just goes around and around, and it's a big cycle. So right now we are in springtime. All of the flowers are coming back to life. All of the birds are chirping, they're laying their eggs. All the plants are coming back and we're getting ready for summer. After spring, it'll be hot and it'll be time to jump in the swimming pool. So our causes are gonna be the season, and the effect is what should we wear during each season? What kind of clothes should we wear for the season? Well, our clothes are gonna depend on the weather. So what is the weather like in that season? And that's gonna help us determine, that's gonna affect the clothes that we wear. So let's look at our first outfit. Oh, we got a bathing suit. Got a bathing suit. When would we wear a bathing suit? Do you think we would wear a bathing suit in the winter? No, it's cold in the winter. It's got to be a season that's really hot. Do you know what it is? Correct. We wear swimsuits in the summer. In the summer months, it affects our clothes and we wear swimsuits because it's hot in the summer. Let's try another one. A hat, some gloves, a scarf, and some warm boots. When could we wear all of these things? Would it be spring when it's warm? Would it be fall when it's cool? Or will it be winter when it's cold? Yes, it's going to be winter when it is cold. So the cause is that it's winter time, it's cold outside, and the effect is we need to wear hats and gloves and scarves and boots to keep our bodies warm in the winter. Very good. Now, summer's hot, winter's cold. Spring is warm. That means it's not sweating hot, it just feels great outside. It's just warm outside. And fall is cool. That doesn't mean it's cold and you don't need a jacket and a scarf. You just need something light because it's kind of cooler outside. So let's look at our next outfits. We have a short sleeve shirt and some shorts. Do you think you would wear a short sleeve shirt and some shorts when it's warm or when it's cool? What do you think? Yes, you would wear it when it's warm. So you would wear shorts and a t-shirt in the springtime. The springtime causes it to be cool, to be warm outside, and the effect is we don't need as much clothes on our bodies, so we wear shorts and t-shirts. We have one last outfit. Some pants and a sweater. Well, we already know it's going to be worn during fall time, but why? Can you tell me why? Yeah, give me 5. Good job. It's cool during the fall. So it's not cold and we don't need our winter clothes yet, but it is cool. So we need a jacket, a light sweater, some jeans, something to cover our bodies just a little bit to keep us a little bit warm. So this is our lesson about cause and effect using the seasons. So if you wanted to do an activity at home, you could write me a sentence about which season you like the best and how it affects the clothes we wear. So you could say, I like spring because it is warm and you wear short sleeves and shorts. Or you could fold up a piece of paper into 2 parts to 4 parts, and you could tell me the cause on one side and the effect on the other. So happy learning and thanks for watching.